Ever wonder why we sneeze? Stick around, 3 minutes, and this tickly mystery makes total sense. Dust, pollen, pepper, tiny irritants tickle the nasal lining. Mucus and cilia try to trap them. Sensitive nerve endings alert the trigeminal nerve. Message to the brainstem: we've got intruders. Prepare the sneeze reflex. Deep breath in. Glottis closes. Chest pressure builds. Diaphragm and rib muscles load the spring. Release. Glottis snaps open. Air blasts out, carrying particles away.
Achoo!
That burst defends your airways, expelling dust, germs, and irritants before they travel deeper. Sneeze smart. Use your elbow or a tissue, bin it, wash hands. Protect people around you. Fun facts. Bright light can trigger sneezing, photic sneeze, up to about 1/3 of people. Myth check. Sneezes don't stop your heart, but don't force hold a sneeze. It can injure ears or throat. Quick recap. Irritant, nerves, pressure, blast, protect. Which fact surprised you? Follow for more science in a snap.